One of the most asked questions by clients when they walk in the door are, how many of my assets am I going to be able to protect and keep after filing a Chapter 7 or Chapter 13 bankruptcy? And the answer, at least my goal, is when you walk in the door to protect everything. 100%, absolutely, positively, everything, the whole 9 yards. Now, Chapter 13 is designed to go and do that, to save your house, save your car, okay? The typical assets. Same with Chapter 7, okay? As long as we have enough exemption power to go and protect those assets, they'll be protected. Otherwise, we'll file Chapter 13 for you. What I'm trying to work up to is the exception or the exceptions. And that would be something that the court considers, the judge considers luxuries, okay? You file a Chapter 13 and you have a vehicle that is worth too much money, okay? That can be a luxury. Harley Davidson or any motorcycle can be considered a luxury. Boat, definitely a luxury. Airplane, definitely a luxury, okay? So in the context of a Chapter 13, what the court is going to have you do is pay the unsecured creditors a little bit higher. Normally we start at 5%. They're going to want more than 5% if you want to keep a luxury. What I try to do is, unless it's a different situation, have clients consider giving up that luxury so that they can go and take care of this financial problem with a slam dunk type of situation, not have to go and be on the ropes because they have to pay extra, not only on the boat but to unsecured creditors. Now, Chapter 7 is a little bit different. I tell every client that walks in the door and we talk about a motorcycle or a boat. I haven't had the time of talking about an airplane for quite a while or something like that, but boats, trailers, pull trailers, I hear about this all the time. And I go and I tell the clients up front, okay, it hasn't happened yet as far as being a problem, but they definitely are luxuries. And at any time, the U.S. trustee, the policeman of the system, can go and step in and say, look, you're going and spending this money, let's say $350 a month, plus insurance, okay, on Harley Davidson motorcycle, whereas you could be paying creditors over $350. That's a problem. We want you to convert to a Chapter 13. Now, I have never ever seen that happen on any of my cases. In fact, it hasn't happened on any of my cases, but I can think of one time that it did happen when another attorney didn't go and do a good job on the budget, the income and expenses that you have. I'm extremely particular about your income and expenses as disclosed by to the court. I go over very specifically with them. They have to be I wouldn't say on a razor's edge, but it has to be not too much and not too little. And that's what you're hiring me to do, is to make it so that your case is going to work.